We have some very important announcements, and I'm sure the APC family will be very elated with these announcements. And I hope the minority caucus will also take a cue after the announcement to follow suit, so that we can unblend and become one. I write to formally convey my intention to leave Labour Party to join the All Progressive Congress Party, APC. This was a tough decision to make, but I had no option than to move on. As you are aware, the National Working Committee and some stakeholders of the party are a major legal tussle. These conflicts have made it increasingly difficult to focus on the pressing issues that concerns the party. I have consulted with my people, constituents, and political allies, and have been urged and encouraged to identify myself with any party that will enable me represent them better. On this note, kindly take this letter as my resignation from Labour Party and transition to All Progressive Congress Party, APC. I pray for your support and that of all the political parties for a peaceful transition. Please accept the assurances of my esteemed regards to your office. Sincerely, signed, Honorable Sir Tochukwu Chinedu Okere. Honorable, please, honorable colleagues, can we appreciate him?
Mr. Speaker, point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Let me finish my announcement. You can take your point of order at the same time.
Okay, the order announcement.
Yes.
Okay.
Next time you are addressing the speaker, you have to stand up. Please be guided.
Honorable colleagues, Honorable Chinedu, can you just find a seat here, because there are other people that will join you, so that we don't disturb the plenary. Honorable, will you be kind enough to come and shake his hands here too?
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
No, your point of order will be noted later.
Constitutional order. Constitutional order.
Wish you all the best in APC. You have taken the right decision. Thank you.
Point of order, Umaru.
Yes, and the caucus leader as well.
Good job.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Honorable colleagues, another announcement coming from a member of the Labour Party. Honorable Donatus K. Martin. His letter of defection from the Labour Party to All Progressive Party. And his letter reads as follows. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally notify you of my decision to defect from Labour Party and join All Progressive Party, effective immediately. After much reflection and careful consideration, I have concluded that the All Progressive Party aligns more closely with my values, principles, and visions for the future of our country. I believe this decision will better enable me to serve the interests of our people and contribute more effectively to the development of policies that will drive positive change. During my time with Labour Party, I have worked diligently to support the party's initiatives. However, after careful examination of the political landscape, I have come to the realization that my political ideas are not better represented by All Progressive Party. This is not a decision I take lightly. and it has been made
Order.
deep personal reflection.
Order.
I remain committed to working tirelessly to support the goals and objectives of all progressive party, and I'm eager to contribute to its success. I trust that you will understand my position and will support me as I make this transition to a new chapter in my political career. Thank you for your understanding, and I look forward to continue to work towards advancement of our nation's best interests under the banner of All Progressive Party. Signed, Honorable Donatus Matthew Kuzalio, Member representing Kaura Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. Honorable Matthew, congratulations. Greatest and biggest party in Africa. Welcome to prosperity. Welcome to fulfillment.
Mr. Speaker, I'm still on standby.
Yeah, there are more to come, so you take them all together. Honorable colleagues, on a happy note again, it's my pleasure to read a letter coming from Honorable Akiba Basi E, member representing member from Cross River State. His constituency is not written in the letter. And the subject matter is notification of my defection from Labour Party to the All Progressive Congress Party. And his letter reads as follows. I write to formally notify you and this Honorable House of my decision to defect from the Labour Party to the All Progressive Congress. This decision is guided by two primary reasons. Number one, division and factionalization within the Labour Party. In accordance with Section 68, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, which permits a parliamentarian to change parties due to division within their party, I'm compelled to act. The Labour Party is currently embroiled in a severe and protracted crisis, with two factions at the national level vying for leadership. This division has extended to the state, local government at all levels, as evidenced by the existence of parallel executive committees led by Oga Osim and John Ushi in my state, both of which are engaged in litigation. This dysfunction has rendered the party ineffective in fostering unity and providing a stable platform for governance. It has also created a toxic atmosphere where attending meetings called by one faction is perceived as disloyalty by the other, therefore limiting my ability to effectively represent my constituency under the Labour Party. Number two, the governor's outstanding performance and the need for synergy. The governor of Cross River State, His Excellency Senator Basi Otu, has demonstrated exemplary leadership and commitment to development in my federal constituency and the state at large. His ongoing projects and initiatives are significantly transforming the lives of my constituents to strengthen collaboration and maximize the benefits of his administration's efforts for my people. I have resolved to join the APC. Additionally, a vast majority of my supporters from the 2023 elections, many of whom were previously in the LP, PDP, SDP, etc., have long moved to the APC. Therefore, joining APC will help me to remain sync with my supporters and contribute more effectively to the progress and development of my federal constituency, state, and the nation at large. This decision is made in good faith and in full consideration of the constitutional provisions and my commitment to the welfare of my people. Thank you for your understanding. Yours faithfully signed, Reb Akiba Basi. Honorable Basi, can you stand up for him as well as the minority? You're welcome. You're welcome to the greatest party in Africa.
Mr. Speaker, are you ready for me?
A committee leader, so just be patient so that you can take them together. But if you need Panadol extra after my announcements, I'll be more than willing to formally tender my resignation as a member of Labour Party, effective immediately. This decision was read.
Please, Kumo, I have the floor. I am the leader of Labour Party in this house. I am saying, I'll quote the Bible. When Jesus was carrying the cross to the Calvary, the woman Veronica was weeping. And he looked back and said, women of Israel, don't weep for me, weep for yourself. I'm telling those who have defected, they will continue weeping for themselves, because where you have crossed over, you don't have future. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.